Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share some amazing tips and tricks in Figma which will help you to speed up your workflow. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we have this use images as styles. Okay, so before also I have created videos on how you can save colors as styles, text as styles. Okay, so here I'll show you how you can also use images as styles. Okay, so first of all I'm going to create a rectangle here. Okay, now right click on it and then go to the plugins, pixels. Okay, or you can use any random image from, like, you can download some image and you can add it. Okay, done. So let's save this one. Okay, my image style. Okay, now let's draw a circle here. Okay, now I'm going to apply this color, this image style here. Okay, this is my image here, my image style here. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so this is how simply you can add multiple images. A same image style to multiple shapes. Okay, so I'm also going to show you how, like, I'm going to draw a star here. Okay, and then also going to apply the style here also. You see, right? That was easy. So next we have is delete unwanted part of any shape. So let's draw a star here. Okay, now for example, just double click on it. You will be in the edit mode here. Okay, so you can see some nodes here, right? So for example, I don't want this section here, okay, so I'm going to click on this one. You see it's selected. Okay, so just hold on shift and then delete. Okay, shift plus delete. Now shift plus delete. So this is how you can delete some parts of any shape. Okay, now this is the next one. Use control to ignore constraints. Now I'll show you. If I click on this button here, this is center aligned, right? So if I resize this frame, because it is center aligned, so the button will be getting affected. So but I want just the frame size to be resized. Okay, the button should not shift to the center. Okay, so just click on this frame and then hold on control. See, this is how you can resize your frames, okay, without affecting the content inside. Next one is set any frame as thumbnail in Figma file. Okay, so now I'll show you. If I go back to my files here, you see nothing is there, right? Like no image is there or something. Like I cannot. Maybe it's difficult for me to recognize my file, right? So for example, you want to save some different image. Okay, some maybe a frame related to your project. Related to your project. So for example, I have this frame. Okay, I'm going to right click on it and then just click on the set as thumbnail. Done. Okay, now if I go back to my files here, you see now it's very easy for me to recognize my file. Okay, so Now if you want to delete it as a thumbnail, now right click on it and then click on the restore default thumbnail. It's removed. Okay. The next and the last one we have is paste in multiple frames. Okay. So we have some, I have created some frames here which will work like a button actually. So I want to paste this text inside all these other frames here. Okay. Now how to do that? First of all, I'll select this this text and control plus C. Okay. Now click on, just select all the frames here. Okay. 3 frames are selected where I want to paste it. Okay. Just control V. You see how instantly it got pasted in 3 of the frames at once. Okay. So that is it. Okay. Let me know if you have got any doubt. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.